Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use the Gantt view in Smartsheet. Ladies and gentlemen, from our home page over here, we can go down and we can open up one of our sheets. Now, I've opened up the sheet over here, and what you need to do is have at least 2 date columns to be able to use the Gantt view over here. So it'll ask you to have at least 2 date columns over here. But what you want to do, if you do want to have a sheet viewed in a Gantt view, go ahead, create your sheet in a Gantt view immediately. So over here, go and click on Gantt, and here you can see that you will have this opened up, and immediately this is now in a Gantt view. You can see that you can move the slider up and down, and here is the view type. So this is what we were looking at previously. It was in a board view. You can also sometimes see that they're in a timeline view, but ultimately you will click on Gantt over here from the drop down view menu, and you'll be able to see everything over here in a Gantt view. Now you can filter out, you can change the formatting of any one of these cells. You can also just double click on it. You'll be able to rename it. Once you click on it, you are able to interact with it as well. And if you move this slider over here, you can see this area, and you can see each one of these tasks on this view.